Hey, what up guys? Today we're checking out Batchad Park in Orlando. It's an 84-acre state park known by the locals for fishing, hiking, and canoeing. Let's go check it out. So we're here at the park with 3 different methods of how to catch fish, with the rod, trap, and a casting net. Well, so we got 2 different baits. Right now we have regular bread, baby, dollar store, and random kibbles of dog food. Let's see if we can just kind of track. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna walk towards that waterfall over there. There's a like a cab on the side where the water slows down, and certain fish like to just sleep there and just chill. We're gonna cast this out and see if we get any of those lazy fish. So now my trap is set. I'm gonna give it about an hour or so, and we're gonna go throw the rod into the water and see if we get lucky. So I just got to my line. Now it's pretty much the waiting game to see if anything bites. I don't think I have enough patience for this, really. I only chose this spot because it's actually the most calm amount of water here in this river, and there's a bunch of birds back there diving. So I'm just taking my luck and just cheating off the birds real quick. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's a log. What did I get? What is this? Looks like somebody's net. It's no luck, bro. This is just epic fail. Oh man. I'm off loose. Oh. We're having technical difficulties now, and now I am stuck. So this is actually my struggle right now. Luckily I have my work pants on, so I have a roll of electrical tape and my knife. So this is what I rigged up just to get me free. The struggle is real. Come on, baby. Free. Woo! Damn. So many nets in the water. I hope the net works. Alright, so not much success with me casting the rod. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cast it again, leave it. That way I can go out and play with the net and see if I can catch anything with that. Alright, let's do this. Let's hope we get anything. Yo, bro! I got one! Bro!
For real?
I got one, come through! Got a common pleco. Check out his little lips, bro. See that? They're pretty much family of the catfish. They're an armored fish, bro. And they're legit the hardest feeling fish I've ever caught. Look at that thing. Bro, if only you knew how it felt. It is like super rough, bro. Like the armor on the outside.
Does it really feel like armor?
Bro, yeah. Touch it. Like legit.
Oh.
But this is the outcome of a net. We worked pretty hard to get this bad boy.
For real.
See them suckers?
Oh yeah.
Look at that, bro.
Wait, you know if this is a boy or a girl?
I can't really tell.
All right. Let me stop you right there, my brother, and give these people some real facts. This is the Plecostomus, aka the sucker mouth catfish, aka the pleco. These guys can live up to 15 years and grow up to 24 inches long. They eat algae and have armored-like skin to help protect them against predators and other fish. What's really crazy about this fish is they can lay as much as 200 eggs at a time. No wonder why this is an invasive species in the Florida waters.
You know what I'm saying? El pleco. They are really ugly fish, bro.
Hey, we got one.
Yeah. With a net. Let's see what the trap and now the rod can pull out, you know? So we got lucky with the cast net. We caught one pleco, and with the rod we have nothing. So we're gonna go check out the trap that we set up hours ago and see if we got anything out there. Let's go. Alright, so we're getting closer to our trap now, and hopefully when we pull it up, we have a bunch of fish. Fingers crossed. Alright, moment of truth. Please let it be at least one fish. At least.
Is that a turtle? You caught Franklin.
Oh, that's a turtle.
That is a turtle.
Well,
You caught Franklin.
We call it turtle. It ain't a fish, but it's a turtle.
Hey, it's something.
Let's see what we got. Let's see what kind of turtle it is. Come over here. Yeah, it's a fast turtle. This is, actually I have one of these. It's a mud turtle. These bad boys, their necks are so long. A little baby mud
What kind
turtle.
of turtle? A mud turtle?
Yeah, look at that. I actually have one of these in my house. And this is a young baby. Look at that. They do get a little bit bigger though. Probably like.
Okay, we have some information right. This is the striped mud turtle. They could live up to 50 years and could grow up to 4 inches in length. They eat insects, worms, snails, algae, and seeds. Female mud turtles can travel 820 feet from the wetlands to nest and can lay up to 6 clusters of 1 to 6 eggs per year.
Let's even bite my glove. He doesn't seem to be that aggressive, but he's pretty cool. Little turtle, man. Let's put him back where he came from. Look at him go, man. In conclusion of all of this, the trap didn't work as well. We only got a turtle out of the whole deal. I think it could work a lot better if we had a different trap with more entrance and a different bait. And for the fishing rod, it didn't work out at all. I believe someone that's a skilled fisherman may know how to use it way better than I, and probably can get lucky and catch something. With the net though, I'm a beginner user and I got lucky and caught a pleco with it, so I'm very happy with that. Overall, we tried every method to catch fish. For me, my favorite would be the trap and the casting net, because those are the actual two effective ones. Because what's the other shit? I'm kind of hungry and I'm ready to go. Peace. Do I walk off? Alright guys, I'm gonna have to catch you on the next time. I'm gonna keep going fishing and have fun. Whatever, I don't know. After countless hours at the park, doing all the adventuring and fishing, I'm beat and I'm hungry. So I'm gonna have to catch you guys on the next time. Peace.